क्लास स्टार्ट हुई।
Good morning. Welcome to Telangana State Minority Study Circle online classes. Can you hear my voice properly? Can you hear my voice properly? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So now, what is the last topic? What is the last topic?
हमेशा फुल स्क्रीन नहीं था।
Partnership, is it completed or not? Profit and loss completed. Partnership is not completed. Yes. So today we'll discuss partnership. Partnership is not completed. Yeah, very good, very good. So now today we'll discuss partnership. What is partnership? Please tell me. What is partnership? If two or more than two persons, if two or more than two persons are investment in a business is known as partnership. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business is known as partnership. This is divided into two types. The first one is simple partnership. Second one is compound partnership. What is simple partnership and what is compound partnership? What is simple partnership and what is compound partnership? Anyone please tell me? Anyone, what is the?
आपका फादर का नेम आपका देना पड़ेगा।
Sir, someone is on you mute. No.
उस पे
तो लालिए और दो लगा के वो ले ले एक ले ले दूसरा बाकी में तो मैं को तीन कल से पे लेता हूँ दे दो डायरेक्ट उसको दे देना कैसे?
So tell me what is a partnership? If two or more than two persons are investment in a business is known as partnership. If two or more than two persons are invest the amount in a business is known as partnership. It is divided into two types. The first one is simple partnership. Second one is a compound partnership. What is simple partnership? And what is compound partnership? Simple partnership and compound partnership. So, if two or more than two persons are investment in a business at the same time is known as simple partnership. If two or more than two persons are invest the amount in a business at the same time is known as partnership. For example, today you invested 10 lakh rupee in a business. Today you invested 10 lakh rupee in a business and your friend invested 10 lakh rupee in a business. Then that is known as simple partnership. That is known as simple partnership. For example, today you invested 10 lakh rupee and your friend invested 5 lakh rupee. Then that is also simple partnership. Here, the amount is not important. The investment is not important. The time is very important. If two or more than two persons are invest the amount in a business at the same time is known as simple partnership. If two or more than two persons are invest the amount at the same time is very important. Here they invest the amount at the same time is known as simple partnership. Okay, then here the capital money may be equal, may not be equal. The capital money may be equal, may not be equal. Then how to distribute the profit? How to distribute the profit? So profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Okay, according to their profit, they will distribute the profit. Okay, profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Once again, listen here. Simple partnership means if two or more than two persons are invest the investment at the same time, is known as simple partnership. Here, the capital money may not be equal. There, capital money may not be equal. Then the profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. And what is compound partnership? For example, if two or more than two persons are invested in investment at a different times, at a different times is known as a compound partnership. For example, today you invested 10 lakh rupee in the business. Today you invested 10 lakh rupee in the business. After some time, after 3 months or after 4 months, your friend invested 10 lakh rupee. That is known as compound partnership. If two or more than two persons are investing investment at different times is known as a compound partnership. Okay, here also the capital money may be equal, may not be equal. The capital money may be equal, may not be equal. So then next one, how to distribute the profit? Here also the formula is same. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. But here investment is equal to, you should multiply the time. For example, investment, how to take the investment? Investment is equal to capital money into time. You should multiply the time, because for example, today you invested 5 lakh rupee. After 6 months, your friend invested 5 lakh rupee. After another 6 months, total 1 year period is completed. After 1 year, you got 4 lakh rupee as profit. And your friend says that capital money is the same. You invested 5 lakh rupee. My investment is also 5 lakh rupee. We got 4 lakh rupee as profit. So out of 4 lakh, your share is 2 lakh, my share is 2 lakh. Is it right? Your friend says that your share is 2 lakh rupee and your friend's share is 2 lakh rupee. Is it acceptable? Is it right? No, because your investment is used for 1 year, your friend investment is for only 6 months. Therefore, here you should multiply the time. Multiply with time. That is the correct answer. Okay. Both the cases, the formula is same. Either it may be simple partnership or the compound partnership. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio only. Both the cases, the formula is same. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio, but in compound partnership, investment is equal to multiply with the time. So if you know these two formulas, then the questions are very, very easy. So now write the first question. First write the notes. If two or more than two persons, submitting partnership, if two or more than two persons are investment, please write the notes. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business, is known as partnership. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business is known as partnership. It is divided into two types. First one, simple partnership. Second one, compound partnership. First one, simple partnership. Second, compound partnership. Now subheading simple partnership. Simple partnership. If two or more than two persons are subheading simple partnership. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business at the same time. If two or more than two persons are investment in a business at the same time is known as at the same time, underlined at the same time. At same time is known as simple partnership. Is known as simple partnership. Here the capital money may not be equal. Here the capital money may not be equal. Here the capital money may not be equal. Next line, write the formula. The profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. 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 Next one, subheading compound partnership. Subheading compound partnership. If two or more than two persons are investment. If two or more than two persons are investment at if two or more than two persons are investment at different times, is known as compound partnership. At different times is known as compound partnership. At different times is known as compound partnership. Here also the capital money may not be equal. Here also the capital money may not be equal. Here also the capital money may not be equal. Here also the capital money may not be equal. So now write the formula. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Here also the formula is same. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. Profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. But investment is equal to capital money into time. But investment is equal to capital money into time. These are important questions in partnership. These are important questions in partnership. And only these two important formulas, only two concepts are there. Simple partnership and compound partnership. In both the cases, only one single formula is there. That is, profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. But in simple partnership, take same as it is. In compound partnership, you should multiply the time because they invest the amount at different times. Therefore, multiply the time. Now write down question. Write the question. First question. In a business, A invested 30,000 rupees. A invested 30,000 rupees and B invested 40,000 rupees. And B invested 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. At the end of the year, they got 56,000 rupees as profit. At the end of the year, they got 56,000 rupees as profit. Then find their shares. Find their shares. A invested 30,000 rupees and B invested 40,000 rupees. A invested 30,000 rupees, B invested 40,000 rupees. At the end of the year, they got 56,000 rupees as profit. So find their shares. Here in this question, time word is not there. If time word is not there, they invested at the same time. If they invest at the same time, it is simple partnership. In profit. In simple partnership, the profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. So A is to B is equal to 30,000 is to 40,000. Zeros will be cancelled. It is equal to 3:4. Therefore, their profit ratio is equal to 3:4. So, what is the meaning of 3:4? If they got 7 rupee, 3 plus 4 is 7. If they got 7 rupee, out of 7 rupee, A's share is 3 rupees and B's share is 4 rupee. But now they got 56,000 rupee. So what is A's share? What is A's share? A's share is 3 parts. Out of 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 by 7 into 56,000 rupee. 3 by 7 into 56,000 rupee. Cancel the numbers. 7 ones are 7. 7 8s are 56. And 3 more zeros are there. 3 more zeros. So 3 into 8,000. What is 3 into 8,000? 24,000 rupee. A's share is 24,000 rupee. Then what is the B's share? B's share is 4 parts. out of 4 by 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 by 7 into 56,000 rupee. B share, yeah, very good, very good. Hajra Begum, your answer is right. 7 1 to 7. 7 8,000. 4 into 8 is 32,000 rupee.
Sir, how's the 7th from, sir?
So, if they got 56,000 rupee as profit, out of 56,000 rupee, A's share 24,000 rupee and B's share is 32,000 rupee. Very good, Hajra Begum, your answer is right. Very good, Muhammad Irfan, your answer is right. Good. Now, write the next question. In a business, A invested 20,000 rupee. B invested 30,000 rupee. And C invested 50,000 rupee. Okay, what is the doubt? How the 7 comes? Where Mr. Shanwas? Where the 7 comes? So the profit ratio of A and B is 3:4. 3:4. What is the meaning of 3:4? So, for example, let it is the total profit. So, what is the 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is 7. So, if you divide into 7 parts, if you divide into 7 equal parts, each and every part, then A's share is 3 parts and B's share is 4 parts. Okay, Shanwas, 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So, if you divide into 7 parts, 7 equal parts, out of 7 parts, 3 parts goes to A and 4 parts goes to B. Now, present question. In a business, A invested 20,000 rupee, B invested 30,000 rupee, and C invested 50,000 rupee. At the end of the year, they got at the end of the year, they got 80,000 rupee as profit. 80,000 rupee as profit. Then find their shares. Then find their shares. So here also the time what is not given. Here also the time what is not given. If time what is not given, their profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. That is simple partnership. That is simple partnership. So A is to B is to C. If time what is not there in the question, they invest at the same time. So A is to B is to C is equal to their profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. 20,000 is to 30,000 is to C invested how much? 50,000 rupee. Now cancel the numbers. 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 4 zeros cancel. So their profit ratio A is to B is to C. 2 is to 3 is to 5. 2 is to 3 is to 5. What is the meaning of 2 is to 3 is to 5? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. If you divide into 10 equal parts, two plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. If you divide into 10 equal parts, each and every part is 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Now A's share is equal to A's share is 2 parts out of 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 2 by 10 into 18,000. This is 0, 0 cancel. 2 into 8,000 is 16,000. And yeah, very good, very good. Base share is equal to 3 by 10 into 80,000. Again is 0, 0 cancel. 3 into 8, 24,000 rupee. And the C share is 5 by 100 into 80,000. 2 zeros cancel. 5 into 8, 40. I by 10 into 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 by 5 by 10 into 80,000. This is 0, 0 cancel. 5 into 80, 5 into 8, 40, 40,000 rupee. So out of 80,000 rupee, A's share is 16,000 rupee, B's share is 24,000 rupee, and C's share is 40,000 rupee. Next one. Third question, write the third question. A invested 60,000 rupee in a business. A invested 60,000 rupee in a business. After 4 months, B invested 80,000 rupee. After 4 months, B invested 80,000 rupee. At the end of the year, they got At the end of the year, they got 51,000 rupees as profit. At the end of the year, they got 51,000 rupees as profit. Then find their shares. Find the answer here. Time what is there? They invested at different times. They invested at different times means it is a compound partnership. In compound partnership, profit ratio is equal to investment ratio. But here you should multiply the time. Investment is equal to capital money into time. So here they invested at a different time, therefore it is compound partnership. A is to B is equal to A invested 60,000 rupees when starting. Initially A invested. After 1 year they reached the profit, so 60,000 into 12. After 4 months B invested. How much? 80,000 rupees. In a year 4 months period completed. Out of 12 months, 4 months completed means the remaining period is 8 months. Now simplify the numbers. 20,000 threes, 20,000 fours, 20,000 fours. Next one, 4 ones 4, 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. Therefore, A is to B is equal to 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. Therefore, the profit ratio is equal to 9 is to 8. Now, A's share is equal to A's share 9 parts by 9 plus 8, 17. A's share 9 parts out of 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 by 17 into 51,000 rupee. 71, 71, 71, 17. 17 3 is 51. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 9 into 3. 27,000 rupees. And B's share B says 8 parts, 8 by total profit is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17 into 51,000. 71, 17, 17, 3 is 51. 3 into 8. So, very good, our friend. 24,000 is right answer. Muhammad doubt is how it is 9 is to 8. Yes, what is the doubt, Mr. Muhammad? Is it 9 is to 8? How it is 9 is to 8? Very simple. Here they are not invested at the same time. They invested at different times. A invested some amount after 4 months. After some period, B invested some amount. Therefore, A is to B is equal to 60,000 into after 1 year they distribute the profit. So into 12. Is to be invested 80,000 rupee. After 4 months be invested. So in a year, 4 months period is completed. The revenue is 8 months. Now simplify 20,000 3 is 60,000. 20,000 4 is 80,000. 4 1 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 3 into 3 9 is 2. 1 into 8 is 8. Therefore their profit ratio is 9 is to 8. What is the meaning of 9 is to 8? If they got 17 rupee, out of 17 rupee, A share is 9 rupee, B share is 17 rupee. Next one. Next question. A invested A invested 60,000 rupee as A invested 60,000 rupee in a business. After 4 months, B invested. After 4 months, B invested 260 tons. 260 tons. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. Just to find the profit ratio only. Just to find the profit ratio, find the answer, then type your answer in the chat box. Find the answer. Here also they invested at different times. Therefore, it is compound partnership. What is the profit ratio? A is to B is equal to A invested 60,000 rupee into They distribute the profit when after 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Is to be invested 20. A invested 60,000 rupees. After 4 months, B invested. After 4 months, B invested 26,000 rupees. A invested 60,000 rupees. After 4 months, B invested 26,000 rupees. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. So A invested 60,000 rupees per 1 year into 12. B invested 26,000 rupees for in a year already 4 months period completed. The remaining period is 8 months. The remaining period is 8 months. Now cancel the zeros, 3 zeros. 3 zeros cancel. Now next one 4 2 8. 4 2 8, 4 3 is 12. The next one 2 1s 2. 2 1s 2, 2 3s, 2 zeros. Then next one more common factor is there. That is 2 15s, 2 13s. So therefore A is to B is equal to A is to B is any common factor 3 zeros cancel. Then 4 2s 4 3s, 2 30s 4 2s 4 3s, 2 1s 2 30s and 2 30s 2 15s, 15 to 3 45. 45 is to 13. Their profit ratio is equal to 45 is to 13. Next one. Fifth question. A, B, and C invested. A, B, and C invested each 20,000 rupees in a business. A, B, and C invested each 20,000 rupees in a business. After 5 months, A withdraws 5,000 rupees. After 5 months, A withdraws 5,000 rupees. B withdraws 4,000 rupees. And C invested 5,000 more. And C invested 5,000 more. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. How to find the profit ratio? Here is it a simple partnership or compound partnership? This is a simple partnership. Actually, initially it is a simple partnership, but after some period, after 5 months, some changes are there. Therefore, it will become A. After 5 months, some changes are there. A withdraw 5,000 rupee, B withdraws 4,000 rupee, and C invested extra 5,000. Then it will become a compound partnership. Then it will become a compound partnership. Then find their profit ratio. First find the answer in your notebook. First find the answer in your notebook. Then check your answer is it right or wrong. A invested 20,000 rupee. A, B, and C. A, B, and C each invested 20,000 rupee in a business. After 5 months, A withdraws 5,000 rupee, B withdraws 4,000 rupee, and C invested extra 5,000 rupee, and C invested extra 5,000 rupee. Then at the end of the year, find their profit ratio. Find the answer. So now check your answer. A invested 20,000 rupee. Up to 5 months, no change. Up to 5 months, no change. After 5 months, A withdraws 5,000 rupee. The remaining amount in the company is 15,000 rupee. Into in a year, already 5 months completed. The remaining period is 7 months. And B invested 20,000 rupees. Up to 5 months, no change. But after 5 months, B withdraws 4,000 rupees. If B withdraws 4,000, the remaining amount in the company is 16,000 rupees. And the remaining period is 7 months. Is to C also invested 20,000 rupees for 5 months. Okay, this 5 months period is completed. After 5 months, C invested extra 5,000 rupee. So 20 plus 5, 25,000 rupee into 7. The remaining period in a year is 7 years. Now A is to B is to C is equal to so in each and every case 20,005, 20,005, 20,005 is there. In each and every case 20,000 into 5 is common. So even though don't cancel the number 25, 20,000 into 5. Why? Because if plus or minus symbols are there in any equation, please don't cancel the numbers. Please don't cancel the numbers. Okay, so A is to B is to C. A value 20,000 into 5 months. So what is 20 into 5? 1 lakh. 15 into 7. 15 sevens. What is 15 sevens? 1 lakh 5,000. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 5,000. 2 lakh 5,000. So A's total investment is 2 lakh 5,000. Is to B invested 15,000 rupee into 20,000 to 5 1 lakh 16,000 to 7 16 sevens 112. So means 1 lakh 12,000. So 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 12,000 is 2 lakh 12,000 by 2 lakh 12,000 is to C also invested 20,000 by 1 lakh 25 into 7 25 7 175. So 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 75 2 lakh 75,000. Two lakh 15,000 here zeros will be cancelled 3 zeros 3 zeros 3 zeros will be cancelled. Its ratio is equal to 205 is to 212 is to its investment ratio is 205 is to 212 is to 275. That is nothing but the profit ratio. Profit ratio is equal to 205 is to 12 is to 275. Next question. A, B, and C invested each 40,000 rupee. A, B, and C invested each 40,000 rupee. Each 40,000 rupee. A, B, and C invested each 40,000 rupee. After 5 months, A withdraws B withdraws B with a 5,000 rupee and C invested C invested 10,000 rupee. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. At the end of the year, find their profit ratio. Next question, find the answer. Find the answer, same previous model, just I change the numbers only. Find the answer. A, B, and C invested each 40,000 rupee. A 40,000, B 40,000, C also 40,000. After 5 months, the period is also same as it is in previous question. After 5 months, A withdraws 10,000 rupee, B withdraws 5,000 rupee, and C invested 10,000 rupee more. Then at the end of the year, find their profit ratio. Find the answer. Find the answer, Afrin, Muhammad. A is to B is to C. A invested 40,000 rupee into 7 months plus A withdraws 10,000 rupee. The remaining amount in the company is 30,000 rupee. $30,000 into 30,000 into already 5 months period completed. The remaining one is 7 months. And B invested 40,000 rupee into 5 months, no change. After 5 months, B withdraws 5,000. The remaining amount is 5,000 into remaining period 35 months. It is B's investment. And C also invested 40,000 rupee. Up to 5 months, no change. But after 5 months, B invested extra 10,000 rupee. Already C invested 10,000, 40 plus 10, 50,000 rupee into the remaining 7 months. If plus or minus symbols are there, don't cancel the numbers, simplify the values. Already after you got the answer, 14 is to 440 is to 510, 550. That is not in list form, always the ratio should be in list form. Okay. So now 40,000 5, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 30 into 7, 21. 2 lakh plus 2 lakh 1,000. 40,005, 4 5 20. So 2 lakh plus 13 7 21. 20 plus 21, 41 lakh rupee. ₹41 lakh rupee. And we invested 40,000, 14 5. We invested 40,000 5, 2 lakh. 40,000 5, 2 lakh. 35,000 into it is 7. 35,000 into 7. What is 35 into 7? 35 into 7. 13 7 21. 5 into 7 35. 41,000 is to 35. 35 into 7. 37 210. 5 into 7 35. 210 plus 35 245. $40,005 2 lakh 35 into 7. 13 7 210 5 into 7 35 245. Is to see 35,000 40,005 2 lakh 15 7 35 2 lakh plus 3 lakh 5,000. So 41,000 is to 41 lakh is to 2 lakh 45,000 is to 5 lakh 50,000. 4 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancel. It is equal to 410 is to 245 is to 550. Again it will be cancelled by 5. 5 8 40, 5 2 10, 5 4 20, 5 9 45. $40,005 2 lakh. 35 into 7 210. It is not 245. $40,005 2 lakh. 35 into 7 37 210. It is 245. So 445. 445 is equal to 5. Five 8 40, 5 9 45, 5 11s. So 82 is to 89 is to 110. 82 is to 89 is to 110. Next question. Next write the tip of the day. Tip of the day. What is the tip of the day? In Vedic maths, so many wonderful tips are there. Without calculation, without using calculator, you can save the time. You can increase your calculation speed. Already in previous classes, I explained some Vedic tips. Today, write some more Vedic tips. Today's tip is if both the numbers are near to 100 or near to 1000. If two numbers are near to 100 or near to 1000, how to multiply? For example, 93 into 94. 93 into 94, how to multiply these two numbers? General method is 3 steps are there. We don't know 94 table. So first multiply the 4, then multiply the 9 and addition. First multiply the 4, then multiply the 9 and addition. That is our general method. One ordinary graduate can find the product of these two numbers in more than 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes also. But with our Vedic method, within seconds, less than 10 to 12 seconds, you will get the answer. Less than 10 to 12 seconds, you will get the answer. How to multiply the number? If two numbers are near to 100 or 1000. So here, these two numbers are near to 100. Then now tell me, what is 93 minus 100? It is not 7, it is minus 7. It is minus 7. 94 minus 100, it is minus 6. Minus 6. Clear? 93 minus 100 minus 7. 94 minus 100 minus 6. Now cross subtraction. What is 93 minus 6? 87. Or 94 minus 7, 87. And these two numbers are near to 100. In 100, two zeros are there. Therefore, next one is a two-digit number. Next one is a two-digit number, that is 6 into 7 minus 6 into minus 7 plus 42. So write 42. Therefore, 93 into 94 is 8742. 8742. One more example, 92 into 98. The formula is same as it is. The formula is same as it is. Both the numbers are near to 100. 92 minus 100 is minus 8. 98 minus 100 is minus 2. Minus 2. Now cross subtraction. 92 minus 2 is 90. Or 98 minus 8 is same answer. Always you will get same answer 80. Then these two numbers are near to 100. In 100, two zeros are there. Therefore, next two-digit number, that is 8 into 2, 16. So directly you can write the answer. 92 into 98 is 9060. 9060. One more example. 97 into 99. Both the numbers are near to 100. 97 minus 100 minus 3. 99 minus 100 minus 1. Now cross subtraction. 97 minus 1, 96. Or 99 minus, yeah, very good option, your answer is right. 99 minus 3, 96. These two numbers are near to 100. In 100, two zeros are there. Therefore, next one is a two-digit number. That is the product of these two numbers. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. But 3 is not a two-digit number. Therefore, write 9603. I think it is clear. Yes or no? Yes or no?